Hi friends, so Gretchen here. You're on Relief Naturally. I thought I would share with you one of my other morning routines. I forgot to share the vibration plate. I'll do that next time. That'll probably be the next video. I'll remind myself. Anyway, thank you for hopping onto my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're my one subscriber who's not new, thank you for hanging on and sticking around. You're my one and only hope. Now, hopefully more people will find my channel, find it helpful. I have another channel called Possum Fun and Frugal. It's doing pretty well. I mean, not monetizing well, but it's doing okay. This one, I just got started. It's definitely a particular niche that people will be looking for, so it's going to be harder to get shared out there. So if you could help out by subscribing, liking, maybe sharing it. If you know someone that would like some ideas on how to manage chronic pain and chronic illness, that's what this channel is for. So I was going to show you one of my morning exercises that I do to, actually a couple of them, to loosen things up in the morning, get my blood flowing better, and scramble up those pain signals that are going on between my brain and body. So check out this video and see what I do. There's a couple of things that I do, but I have a whole morning routine. That's why I'm already not a morning person, but I'm less of a morning person now because I carve out my morning to get my body, like, do all my physical therapy, stretching, my morning practices, and that can take a couple hours. And sometimes it's split into, like, I get up in the morning and I do my circulation vibration plate, and then do some lymphatic exercises there and stretching. I stretch before that in bed. And then I have coffee and breakfast, and then I'll get on the floor and do some of my other floor exercises. And then I'm learning this new thing called Avita Yoga. So when I get the hang of it, I'll share some of that with you too. So watch the video. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. It would help me out greatly. Thank you. This is my morning routine, part of it. I do a lot of stretching before I get out of bed. Try to warm up my body as much as I can. Then I come out here and I have this. It's like a roller, but it has a cover on it. And it's electronic, so it vibrates as you roll on it. I'm trying to do it where you can see. So, like this. Oh, crap. Oh, my foot. I forgot I have a sweatshirt with the head on. And this is what Cindy does. And I'm trying to exercise. And I just stay here for a minute. Feels good. Just on my neck for a minute. Just a little bit. Cindy. When you're trying to work out and your dog wants to be part of it. And then I have this mat. It's called a conjo mat. It has these hard pokey things. It's an acupuncture mat. And it comes with an acupuncture pillow. So I'll lay on that for a few minutes every day. You have to go slowly and carefully. Oh. Ah. And it helps if you have clothes on. If you feel like it's too pokey, you can do it through your clothing. But the weight of your body settles more and more onto the little things. I don't know what to call them. And it helps distribute, helps, I guess, wake up the nerves and distribute the nerve impulses. I don't remember the exact thing, but it helps with, it reduces pain. Ow. And sometimes it hurts a little bit. But I notice that there's certain places where I can tell are stiffer than others, because yeah. So I lay here for a few minutes. That's another therapy that I do every day. I try to every day. Some days I don't get there. But today's an okay day, so I'm able to do all my little morning PT. Like today, my body's feeling kind of okay. My back wakes up every day. First, sometimes I get to wake up before my back does. And then, like this morning, I went to use the restroom, and at first I was like, I'm feeling pretty good this morning. But I know to wait. So then I was on the toilet, and seconds after I was thinking that, my back was like, yeah, no, I'm awake now, hello. And I know because first it starts to itch, and that's the nerves, the pinched nerves waking up, or trying to. And I have scar tissue from the injury right in the middle of my back, where the ribs meet up with the spine, and that starts to wake up, and I start to feel it. So these PT things kind of help, kind of confuses the pain signals a little bit. Yeah. And then I have to very carefully get up. So that's some of my morning physical therapy. I didn't have the camera on for my stretching. I stretch out my legs and arms and everything, do a good stretch as much as I can. And then I start my day.